Let's learn kitchen appliances vocabulary. This is gas stove. This is induction stove. This is refrigerator. This is oven. This is mixer. This is blender. This is toaster. This is sandwich maker. This is coffee machine. This is juicer. This is electric kettle. This is waffle maker. This is dishwasher. This is weighing scale. This is sink. This is coffee grinder. This is rice cooker. This is electric pressure cooker. This is steamer. This is air fryer. This is deep fryer. This is hand mixer. This is hand blender. This is gas cylinder. This is grater. This is cutting board. This is knife. This is whisk. Thank you for watching.